Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play A Million Dreams on the piano. To begin, let's focus on your right hand. Position your second finger on the G note, which is often found near the middle of your piano. You'll start by playing the D note twice, then move to G for 2 presses, followed by 2 A notes, and finally 2 B notes. This simple, repeating pattern is the foundation of the main chorus melody. Try singing the words as you play. It truly helps with the rhythm and flow. Now, let's expand on that right-hand melody. After completing the first phrase, you'll play the D note twice more. Then, you'll need to reach for the F-sharp note, playing it 2 times. Remember to shift your hand slightly for this. Conclude this part with 2 G notes and 2 A notes. This sequence forms the second half of the main melody. Focus on smooth transitions between the notes and maintaining an even rhythm as you practice these 2 melodic sections. For your left hand, we'll use a simple 4-chord progression: G major, D major, A minor, and C major. These chords are usually played on the downbeats, meaning on the first beat of each measure. A G major chord is G, B, D. For D major, play D, F sharp, A, and a minor chord consists of a C, E, and a C major chord is C, E, G. Practice playing these 3-note chords smoothly, one after another, to establish the harmonic foundation of the song. Bringing both hands together is the next step. Begin by practicing each hand's part individually until you feel confident. Then, try playing them together at a very slow pace, focusing on synchronizing the right-hand melody with the left-hand chords. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed initially. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 10 or 15 minutes each day, will significantly improve your playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.